The way I would set up this particular assignment is kind of like this. Right now I'm in Word, and I'm going to come over here, and I've opened up this blank document. I'm going to start out by inserting a table, and I'm going to put about 6 columns in it, and I'm going to put 5 or 6 rows, and we can go back and fix these. And this is going to look at the meal I'm dealing with. So I'm going to start out with breakfast, and in breakfast, I'm going to put down what I ate. And then over here, did it come from a plant? Did it come from a source that consumed the plant? Or did it come from a kind of non-plant source? And I think we called this too far away. And the example I used was something like tuna fish, which is a predator that eats something, that ate something, that ate something, that ate a plant. As far as breakfast, we said we were going to look at about 4 different things. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 down here. What I had for breakfast was a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. Now, I got sausage. Where'd sausage come from? It came from some sort of animal that consumed a plant. How about the egg? The egg came from a chicken. The chicken consumed the plant. The cheese came from a nice contented cow, and the cow consumed a plant. And how about the biscuit? Well, the biscuit is basically made out of flour and shortening, and flour came directly from a plant because it's made out of ground grain. And the other thing that I might find in it would be something like shortening, and shortening came out of plant material as well. So therefore, I'm going on the plant part in here. So when I look at breakfast, I've got that. If I want to add something else in on breakfast, let's say I had a glass of tea, and tea is plant material again. So I've got my columns in here of what I had, what I ate, and where it came from. Now, I can take this and I can copy it and paste it down here. And now I'm going to deal with lunch. What did I eat? Where did it come from? And what did I get out of it? So that's what you're looking at in this particular assignment. Pick a bunch of things that you've had in here, and it doesn't have to be totally conclusive. So if for lunch I said I had a tuna fish sandwich, and when you make the tuna fish, you're going to use mayo, right? You're going to use mayonnaise, and the mayo is basically made out of oil and eggs. So if I look at this tuna fish, we said was too far away because tuna fish is a predator that eats other fish, that ate other fish, that ate other fish. So we're going too far away, but we do know it had some plant in it. The sandwich means that we're talking about bread. We're talking about plant material. The mayo is going to come out of a plant material, and the eggs, again, are going to come out of the chicken, which ate something in there. I now have that particular part. And then what did I drink? I drank soda. The main ingredient in soda is sugar, and sugar is plant material. So when you complete this assignment, you're going to do that. You're going to put all that together. I'm going to make sure in here that I've got my name. Then I'm going to take this once I'm done, and I'm going to post it as a reply, and that's going to be my assignment. Now you can see that based on the rubric that I've got up there, you got 1 point for listing, 1 point for division, and 1 point for correctness. I got everything in there. I've got it listed, I've got divided, and everything's correct in there. And if you do it like that, you're going to get full credit on the whole assignment.